Alright, so here we go. This is going to be the fun box. We're doing 24 packs. So you're going to want to stick around for the entire video because this is going to be a great rip. So we're doing Topps Archive. They were out of the game for a while. And they made their comeback with this set. So these technically are all the rookie cards of the basketball players for Topps. And what Topps did is they kind of took all their baseball card designs for those years of whatever rookie year the basketball player, you know, his official rookie year was, and they printed it on that design. Also, they printed the pictures of those players of their particular rookie year.
Yes.
So it's really dope. Obviously, we're looking for Jordan, you know, because that's what we do. 24 packs. Hopefully we don't have much bricking going on in this. It did stay in the freezer. So let me pull out my beautiful friend here that hasn't made an appearance in a bunch of videos, the last couple of videos. So I'm going to crack this baby open. Slice and dice it. Because we are junkies. So this is sealed with the official Topps thing. So we're trusting the person we got this from. And we're going to go to work. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, whoa, what's that in there? I'm going to open this up like we're looking at it in the store. Like we just walked into the bodega and they had this on the shelf there. Which is where I used to get my Topps 1987 baseball cards back in the day. For 30 cents.
Wow.
What is this? Oh, this is how to win, I guess, a draft pick card. So we should send this in. Maybe we'll win. All right, so we have a whole box. We're gonna have hopefully a big yeah buddy pile, which you know the last couple of videos we didn't have any because it was just a couple packs. All right. Oh, look at that. Look at this foil. Yummy. Ah, such a junkie. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is also how the Topps Stadium packs were sealed with this type of foil. Alright, I really want to be careful opening these. I don't want to mess the corners up because this plastic is like really rough. Alright, alright. Lottie Divac is in the back. I'm going to throw these here. You throw this out for me. Alright, so there's a lot of flipping I guess we're going to have to do. Terry Porter. Wow, these are nice cards, man. A little bit. I feel like there's a card behind this guy, Chris Mullin. Alright, so this is a little bit. So there's going to be a little bit. Oh, not terrible. Not terrible. Oh, man, the centering on this Chris Mullin is really nice. So why don't we bag this guy up? And then, you know, we'll do research on these, see what's worth, you know, sending. Because obviously we want to try to kind of recover our costs. That way we could keep doing these. Oh man! So the Jordan is this in this format. Yeah. So I was like, oh.
Let's leave him.
Yeah. Just leave. Yeah, just a regular, just a penny saver. Yeah. We got to look into them, see what's up. Right there. Yeah. So this is the thing. Oh, look who it is! Oh, the Rodman. So Rodman, oh man, see if you can clean them. There's a little bit of residue on here. Centering is a little off. So just practice on him because he's not going to be a high grade anyways. These cards are just gorgeous cards, man. They really are. Oh wow, a couple of these sets. Haha. Alright, just to make sure that none of these cards get that. Oh, yes! The checklist. Dude, I wanted that checklist so bad, and then we got it. Yeah, I know you're going to want to look at this thing. Alright, so there you go.
Checklists are kind of valuable.
Not really. Oh, so look. This is Patrick Ewing. This is Alright, oh, look at that. Alright, this one came off Del Curry. Oh, this is Daddy Curry, right? Oh, and here's the membership card. Alright. Okay, so yeah, the design is really cool on these cards. Oh man. Looking a little bit. That sticking's not terrible. It's not terrible. Oh. Alright. So that's a set, obviously, the #1 draft picks. Is there a Jordan like that?
I don't think so.
Oh, baby. Oh, Horace Grant. I thought it was Pippen. I love this set. But look at the centering on this one. Wow. That is off. All right. Oh, there's a Pippen. We got Pippen. Oh, and a draft pick in front of him. Derek Coleman.
That's the same card as right here.
Oh yeah, from the Miller. All right, it came off good.
Yeah.
Centering. It's not terrible, but definitely it's a little top heavy. Didn't really. He's not anybody we need to hold on to, right? Is that Kemp? Nope. The chances of getting a Jordan with Pippen would be kind of slim to none, right? Oh, that's not true. What am I saying?
So just Pippen put him in the.
Yeah, just put them in the sleeve. I'm so impressed with these cards, man. Mark Jackson. Yeah, see the centering on these cards are tough. Tough. It's like the one thing that Topps like always had a problem with, Kenny Anderson. I feel like they had this problem with all of their sets. Matumbo. Matumbo's in the hall, right?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. There we go. Alright, I don't think this one's bricked up at all. A little bit. Alright, so let's just do this. Spud Webb. Yamming it. Oh, nice.
Wow.
This is a nice card, David Robinson. Look at that beauty. Draft pick.
That came off clean, right?
Well, the front of it, which is the important part. Oh, Akeem.
Akeem on the back.
All right, so give the back a little bit of a cleaning on this guy. Akeem. Centering looks really good. So we're going to put him to the side because he is awesome. Oh, it came off pretty nice. So same thing with him. Check the back. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So then bag him up, and then we got Larry Johnson back here. Oh, nice. Larry Johnson. See, the centering looks really good on Larry Johnson. Oh man, I just dropped him.
I'm gonna put Robinson in the sleeve.
Yeah. Put Robinson in a It's D-Rod. Man, see this set. Even in baseball, was always a pain in the neck with centering. As you can see, not that good. Some of these guys off. Derek Coleman. Yeah, but you know what? That Robinson came off nice, so.
Got some junk in it. This sleeve.
Oh, really? Yeah, don't use it. Put it to the side, yeah. Dumas. I guess spending all that time in these packs. All right. All right, so let's put that in the middle there. Oh, Reggie Miller. Look, dude, he looks like he's got zombies coming at him, right? Like he's like Rick Grimes trying to get away from the zombie horde.
Mm-hmm.
The centering looks really good on this card. Look at that centering. Oh, wow. Should have picked a better picture of him. Oh, Larry Johnson. Imagine.
Same card?
Dude, you sure the Shaq doesn't come in this series?
Maybe.
It might. We're getting a couple of these draft picks.
Yeah.
Again, fantastic set. It's just the centering on these cards. There he is! There he is!
Baby.
There he is! Centering looks good. Oh man, there's a little bit. I don't know if that's the card, but if we pull another one, we'll make the comparison. But Steve, definitely drop all these guys and let's clean this dude up.
Jordan.
Get that crud off a little bit, you know. Oh man. You know what? I think putting it in the freezer definitely helped because they probably would have been stuck so much more.
It's an autograph card?
No. This is just like that year. I think they used to just do the autographs. All right. Another checklist. Right, it's just one. See. Oh wow! Look at this. 2 back to back.
Oh, Hakeem.
Hakeem. All right. All right, so I'm gonna put Hakeem right here. Sticky cards.
I hate the sticky.
Oh, Isaiah. I know, I hate the sticky too, but these cards are so nice. Top heavy, but we'll bag it up. Hakeem definitely gets both bags. Alright. Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Well, speaking of, there's him in the back.
It sure is.
I knew it.
Alright, let's see if we could pull them off really easy. Not bad. Ah.
Pull this much on the back, but the front.
This is almost a little bit the same as the other pack that we just got. Those two guys were always back to back so far. Yeah, this Patrick Ewing's not bad. Put him here to the side. That's his second Patrick Ewing. Oh, Patrick Ewing. Another draft pick. 1985 was his year. I felt like he followed up with this guy as well. Let us know. Who's this? First run is a draft pick back. Oh, another Charles Barkley. God, the front is perfect. No, oh, look.
No, Gary Payton.
Gary Payton, too. That kind of just came off clean, too. Okay, that was good. All right, so we'll put him there. I think he should get bagged up. Ron Strickland. All right, that came off real nice. Gary Payton. A lot of potential, man. So many good players. James Worthy. He's a hauler, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. The Kings. Oh, John Stockton. Nice. Another Akeem. Oh, look at that. Akeem.
Double whammy.
Even though he's got like 5 cards in between him. So we got him in the front here, Akeem, and then here in the back. So this is his insert card.
Team sandwich.
Oh, David Robinson too. All right, let me. Oh, good. That
The base Hakeem.
base Akeem. Mark Aguirre. Oh wait, Danny Ainge. Superstar. He's a GM right now
For Boston.
for Boston. Yeah. Wow. I mean, these cards are so awesome. It's just the sticking stuff. It's like the problem. Okay. All right, David Robinson again. Oh, this is the other card, the base card. And you did have this, you said, in the freezer overnight, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I think that might have helped. I mean, we still don't have confirmation on whether that works or not. And also, a lot of people say you could hit it with a blow dryer. That supposedly helps. But, you know, wow. Okay. I don't think there's much brick. Oh, Dennis Rodman finally. Oh man, a little bit of smudging there, but the centering is like horrible. Man. All right, these are kind of coming off, no problem. Oh man, it's beautiful cards though. Buck Williams. Look at that hair. Yeah. Not the right Michael. Okay. Patrick Ewing. LJ. I feel like we've seen this pack before. Put LJ down here too. Del Curry. BJ Armstrong. Isaiah. Centering is off. But we'll put him to the side. He's a Hall of Famer. Eddie Johnson. Look at that style. Wow. Okay. Oh, baby. Scottie Pippen. Damn. The centering is off, but it looks. I would put him in a sleeve as well, because there was no bricking. His Chris Mullin. This Mullin is like really nicely centered. Lottie. Mark Jackson. That's Doc Rivers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Glenn Rivers. You want to put him to the side? No. Matumbo. All right, so a little bit of massaging. What happened?
This Chris Mullin is dinged in the corner.
Oh man, the centering was good, no bricking, and he's dinged.
He's in the two corners.
Oh, he is? Damn.
Sleeve him?
Just a regular sleeve. There's Carl Merlone. We'll just put him here to the side. We gotta do some research on him. Of course.
No.
He's stuck onto this dude. Oh. There he is.
Looks good.
It looks
Yeah,
good.
Yeah, that one looks good.
Oh yeah, no white spots in the.
No, there is, but I think this might not be.
Maybe the card.
No, it's a little there. The spotting is different. See if you could maybe slowly creep that off. So drop everything. Give him a nice little wipe down. All right, so we got two again. A 9 is fine. A 9 is fine. A 9 is fine. LJ.
Damn it!
Just clean them up. See what we get. Yeah, for sure. We got a microfiber. I think it's a microfiber.
Yeah. Micro something.
Microfiber. Oh, baby. These are not bricked. It's a little... Oh, baby, this is not bricked. So put... This is Akeem. Beautiful. This card looks fantastic. All right, another Robinson. Again, no bricking on this one. Oh, baby, another Akeem.
Definitely the same pattern.
Same patterning. Yeah, that definitely has... There's definitely a patterning. And hard bag as well. Hard thing. Hard sleeves. See, this is how it should be. It's a little bit of thing on there. And Patrick takes the thunder away from it, but okay. Come on. A little massaging. Just a little bit. All right. Okay, we're good, I think, on bricking here. D Brown. Oh my God. Of course, this is like a pretty decent pack when it came to bricking, and that one good player. David Robinson too. I feel like David Robinson is kind of undervalued, like his cards, you know. I gotta check his PSA stuff. Oh baby, another checklist. Xavier McDaniels. Oh, this is a little bit of a different pack. We haven't seen an Xavier McDaniels before. Dennis Scott. Sean Elliott. Damn. He was great, man. I loved him with the Knicks. Glenn Price. Tim Hardaway. There you go. Last two packs. Come on. Give us a little magic, please. Oh, it's a Chris Mullin. Alright. Somebody stuck me. Oh, Pippen. Of course, Pippen stuck. Not that bad, though. Ooh. I just love this card, man. I really do. I like this set. I'm a little bagged and tagged. Terry Porter. J.R. Reed. Here's another Chris Mullin. We could check him. Okay, that's good. Eric Coleman. Yeah, so this is Dennis Rodman. But see this card, man. It's too many spots because of it's so like the black background.
Always back to back.
It's always two Hawk players back to back, right? Okay. You can do this for us. You can. All right, let's do this. See if we can get that Jordan. Nick Anderson. Yeah, Sean Kemp, finally. I was like, what the hell is Sean Kemp? Alright. It's a little top heavy, but we'll put them in here. So, Oh man. Nope. Yep. John Stockton. But we got 2 Jordans, which I think is great. We got some other pretty good hits. We got some Hakeem. So we got actually a bunch of Hakeems, right? We got a couple of his base as well. Same year as Jordan. We got a couple of David Robinsons. So yeah, I think we did pretty good. I'm pulling some of these really good cards. Hakeem, David Robinson, 3 David Robinsons. We got Patrick Ewing, and then we got 2 Charles Barkleys, and then we got to do some cleaning on some other big name stars. But here we are, the 2 Jordans. Good hits. So again, thank you for watching. We got more and more great videos coming up. So please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. And we'll see you at the next one.